Okay, another reaction video. Today we are reacting to meowbah. Way worse than Bella the wolf. Not gonna lie. What is this?
Reading Meow's Discord questions.
Okay, shut up. Shut up. Are you Muslim?
13. Meowbah, are you fasting for Ramadan? Wow, baby. Of course Meow is. Happy Ramadan, yeah? Meowbah, are you...
It's not Ramadan. It's Ramadan. Yeah, I agree, bro. She's clearly making fun of Muslim. Hold on. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah.
Muslim? Yeah, can't you tell us?
You are not Muslim. You are not Muslim, bro. You're literally a Christian. Shut up, bro.
Reading Meow's Discord questions. Part 40. Meowbah, how high can your voice get?
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, my ears! Shut up!
You are right? Yes!
Oh my... Literally, man, my ears hurts, bro. Stop screaming!
Reading Meow's Discord
What the hell? What the hell?
questions, part 15. Is meowbah
He's gay.
trans? Happy Pride Month. Meow is transgender. Meow hopes you all support. Can you say lesbian rights? Lesbian rights. Meowbah. For ASMR one. At Meowbah. Don't support LGBTQ. It's haram. It's not right to hate on gay people.
Bro, you're literally... Bro, you pronounce haram wrong, bro. It's not haram, it's haram.
Just because of your religious beliefs. Hashtag stop homophobia.
Shut the hell up.
Reading Meow's
What the
Discord questions, part 16. Does Meow celebrate Juneteenth? Of course Meow does. As a proud black trans male, Juneteenth is an
Shut the
important
hell up,
day of our
Meow.
culture. Reading Meow's Discord questions.
Ah!
Reading Meow's Discord.
Oh my god, why did... he's a furry, bro. Are you serious? If you not guys know me, I hate furries. I hate furries.
Questions, part 18. Meow, are you a furry?
Imagine I join his Discord and I say, Meowbah, are you gonna get banned for the next 2 weeks? Yeah, I swear to God.
What do you think, Bear-chan? Meow.
Shut the hell up. Ha ha hey. Not funny. Is that Bella the wolf? Oh my god. Wait, what?
Let's go. You know what? No, we are not gambling. We're done gambling, dude. This is it.
Are you serious, Red? Collabing with a woman literally disrespecting soldiers, Allah, and of course God. What is wrong with you? You're gonna die for the first 2 weeks. I hope you won't insist anymore. You might gonna be banned. Yes, tomorrow. I swear. Because stop doing that face, man. That's so ugly. And you're collabing with someone that's literally disrespectful. You're gonna be banned, okay?
ラブとちょいパーティションはない君だけが特別じゃないんだ反省とか私に求められても本当厄介勘違いしないで教えないと時代の時に忘れるのバリアちょい
3D like he has a 3D like glitch.
meowbah, wanna collab? I'm a pro super.
Can you shut up? Oh my god.
You ain't nothing but a broke.
I hate this game. Just, what? Just hope Bill don't go to hell. You might go to hell. Go to hell, bro. He has a gotcha.
Reading Meow's TikTok comments.
Shut up.
Can Meow?
Bro, I just realized he also like copies like what's that name? Jelly Bean. He also likes he's like Jelly Bean literally just doing this.
Meow? Meow! Are you Japanese? Meow does not have a race. Meow is a doll. Dolls don't have races, silly. Meow wa nihongo mo
What the
naharawasu.
hell?
Meow, can you say this kawaii word? Hi there, Migo-chan. Welcome to Meow's
Don't call me a viewer, Chan, bro.
Reading Meow's TikTok comments. Part 2. Are you homo? Meow's a thug. Meow likes all genders. Can she notice me? Wow, Meow's a fan page. Arigato, little Meowie. Can Meow make dog sounds? Whoa. Bye bye.
Oh my god! Oh my god! I just got jump scared by a freaking grown ass girl. Literally copies everyone and collabing with Bella the Wolf. Oh my god! Dude! I almost got a heart attack, but okay.
Gender? Meow is cat gender.
What? What?
Hi, viewers here. In
Oh, call me viewer, Chad.
Meow's last video, Meow said if Meow can get 10k meowing Meow followers, then Meow will open Meow's own Meowbah Discord server. Arigato for supporting Meow. Meowbah, you should do an answering questions on my Discord video. That is a good idea, Legion. Meowbah.
Leave, Chad, bro. Party the pee-pee. What's that name? Party the pee-pee. Okay, sorry.
What are your opinions on gay people?
Sorry if I'm like too close to the mic, I guess.
Meow's a proud elf.
Oh my god.
Reading Meow's Discord questions. Reading Meow's Discord questions. Part 3. Hey Meow, what's your favorite soup?
Guys, I'm not even joking. I almost puke. I'm not even kidding. I actually almost just puke. Is it just me or did I almost puke because of meowbah? I don't know.
Reading Meow's Discord questions. Reading Meow's Discord questions. Part 5.
You're not the best
Are you
singer.
fluent in Asian? Anata wa aji ni tanto
Are you
no
sure?
naka?
Yes,
Yeah. Will you do more covers? Meow is planning to do some kawaii K-pop.
Yeah. NGL K-pop Demon Hunters hate you.
Covers. Gonna fancy you. I'm a 100 gonna.
What the
Hey,
hell?
Meow loves you. Meow, do you
You
think?
love me, but I don't love you. Okay, I'm gonna end this, bro. This is so cringe.